Akshata, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. In today's session for CLAT 2027 exam, I have come up with a new series जहाँ पे हम year wise will be discussing all the question papers, whether it's of section logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, and also besides that, English section is something that we'll be discussing in the entire series. In today's session number 1, from year 2025, we'll be discussing all the questions of the logical reasoning. Okay, so without a further ado, let's begin with today's session. So this is one paragraph, and based on this paragraph, they have asked us to, uh, uh, you know, solve these particular questions given below. Okay, let's understand the paragraph first. Okay, I'll help you to understand exactly कि paragraph कैसे understand करना है when it comes to logical reasoning. Okay, so what is given here, being a consultant, your work consists of deep examination. So whenever you are reading paragraph, always remember you have to focus on the keywords. Okay, जैसे कि now here the keyword is consultant. Being a consultant, what is your work? Your work is to consistently deeply examine the company's environment, okay, and its internal system to notice inefficiencies, potential improvement. So what is the work of consultant, guys? Consultant का काम क्या होता है? डीपली कंपनी को एग्जामाइन करना, जो भी कंपनीज में इनफिशियंसीज आ रही है या फिर वट एवर द पोटेंशियल improvements are needed, we have to focus on that. Okay, being a consultant. Now the interaction with the company's management and different scenarios to decipher their objectives, opportunities, and processes. What does this mean? Being a consultant, you have to interact with the company's management team. Okay, you have to interact with company's management team, also different sections. Okay, to decipher means to decode. Okay, to decode, to understand what are the company's objectives, what are the opportunities, what are the different system processes that company is having. Okay, to understand this, you'll have to interact with everyone. Now this means that through the use of data analysis, via using the data analysis, industry best practices, and formation of creative ways of solving all problems to come up with a unique solution to all the problems to increase the efficiency, productivity. These words are very much important. What does this mean, guys? This means that you have to use data. Okay, using data, you can analyze different situations. What situations you can analyze? What exactly are the problems going on in the company? What are the loopholes we can work on? How we can improve the efficiency? How we can increase the productivity of the people in the company? This is what is mentioned. Now moving ahead, and hence by increasing the efficiency of the employees in the company, by increasing the efficiency of the process and productivity in the company, we can increase the profitability for the employer. Okay, this is what is given. What is next passage? Let's see. Not next passage, next part of the passage. This might entail operations such as logistic redesign, business process re-engineering, adopting new application system, or even community relation programs. What does this mean? Abhi, when you are understanding that company is having such problems, let's say these are the problems that the company is facing, based on these problems we can make changes we can make in logistics. Okay, whatever is the supply chain or the process chain, business process किस तरीके से एक particular process चलती आ रही है in the company, that is nothing but business process. And we can re-engineer the process. Business process re-engineering means what, guys? For example, we are following a process. Okay, let's say we follow one particular method to complete one particular task in company, but now that particular process is not working. We have understood कि process में कुछ तो बड़ा loophole है और the process is not good for the company. तो हम क्या करेंगे? इस particular process को ही entirely चेंज कर देंगे, and that process is nothing but business process re-engineering. It means if there is any sort of problem, what we can do is we can redesign the logistic, we can change the entire way of doing a particular process, we can change application system or even community relation programs. Okay, what is next? People management is a critical component to change management, to make sure that all the relevant parties interpret the potential alteration positively. It means, guys, whenever, if for example there is one consultant in a company, consultant has understood कि ये problems है, and okay, by deeply studying the entire departments, by deeply studying the management, he understood these all are the problems. Now he has to work on these problems. What he can do, he can change the process of doing any particular work. Okay, he can redesign the process. This is what he can do. But change is something that many employees in the company are resistant to. They don't want, they want a specific process to be done by their own way. Okay, or the way they have been following till date. नया कुछ लाना मतलब उनके लिए वो एक रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट करना हो गया. ठीक है, सो विल हैव टू क्रिएट अ पोटेंशियल इम्पैक्ट, और विल हैव टू मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर चेंज will actually help them. Okay, and also offer orientation and create resources to explain the changes to the group, make them comfortable with the shift. Okay, the general goal in organization ability to continue to grow and remain relevant with the shareholder and stakeholder in the industries to operate. Now this was the entire paragraph. Paragraph पूरा दिमाग में रखना नहीं है. Now I have underlined each and every word. What was for, what is important, let's say exam point of view. Exam point of view, first of all you will have to just simply read out the paragraph once. एक बार पैराग्राफ पढ़ लीजिए जैसे हमने पढ़ लिया था. अभी मैं एक्सप्लेन करके पढ़ा रही हूँ. इट मीन्स इट्स टेकिंग टाइम. Okay, it won't take time if you're reading it a good way and fast way. Okay, so what you have to do is go for keywords. What are keywords here? First of all, they are talking about a particular person named as consultant. Who is consultant? Consultant is someone who will deeply study or deeply understand company's environment and company's system. Company's system means what? Are there any sort of inefficiencies in the company? Is there any need to change any process? या फिर process improve करने का कोई need है to understand. I'll simply give you an example of this particular paragraph. Before computers came, okay, computerization होने के पहले people used to do all the accounting work manually. पूरा manually होता था. And people were used to this. People used to love writing into the registers. They actually had the habit of writing into registers and all. Okay, so when computers came, when company started introducing computers softwares into the company, the employees in the company, they don't want this change. They didn't want this particular change. नहीं, हमें कंप्यूटर पे काम नहीं करना है. We want to just do all of the work into register. That is what they wanted. So there was resistance. Resistance मतलब they were going against this change. There was resistance for this particular change, you can say. Exactly, this is what is given into the paragraph, that when consultant is hired, okay, when the consultant is hired in the company to do deeply examination of company's environment and company's systems and processes, so what he will do is he will firstly collect all the data from different departments and understand कि क्या problem है, and he'll start working on that problem, and then will come up with a solution. But is this solution acceptable to the employees out there? No, they will resist it because they have their comfort zone. Okay, this is what is given in this particular paragraph. So चार चीजें समझनी है. Consultant, what is the work of consultant? He'll understand company's process, deeply understand company's inefficiencies, and what are the areas we can improve on. Okay, by collecting all the data from different departments, by understanding what are different industry best practices going on, and create a best creative solution to all these problems. Okay, that can increase the efficiency and productivity of the employees in the company, and hence it will increase the profitability of the employer जिसका वो कंपनी है. Okay, how he can do it? By redesigning the logistic, by business process re-engineering, or adapting new application system, or even community relation program. This is what he can do. Okay, but people management, handling people in the company is difficult task. Why? Because we'll have to explain them the alteration positively. Okay, this is what you have to keep in mind. Nextly, we'll have to create some orientation programs, create resources to explain why this particular change is important. Okay, and make them comfortable. Okay, so that all the company will be in the profit, you can say simply. Okay, now what are the questions given here? Let's go one by one. What is the primary responsibility of being a company's efficient consultant? Analyzing the organization structure, process, and market position, managing the daily operations, hiring new employees, conducting maintenance. Abhi we can clearly understand even after reading paragraph 1 कि कंसल्टेंट का काम क्या है? अंडरस्टैंड कंपनी स्ट्रक्चर, कंपनी प्रोसेस एंड मार्केट पोजीशन. मार्केट पोजीशन मतलब क्या? हाउ एग्जैक्टली आर आर प्रोसेसेस compared to that of the industry standards. Okay, this is how option number A is correct answer. Daily operations maintain करना नहीं. Hiring new employees not at all. Conducting maintenance बिल्कुल ही नहीं. Even after looking at the options, you can say these are the wrong options. Next question is, with whom does a consultant work closely to understand company's goals and challenges? Will he work with customers? No, he has to understand company's goals and challenges. So he will work with company's team, company's management, and company's departments, not with external vendors, not even with the competitors. Okay, so the correct answer is option number B over here. Even after understanding paragraph, you can simply solve the questions. Now moving ahead to next question. Imagine yourself as a consultant and find what methods you will use to develop customized solutions. Okay, institution and guesswork, social media trends, random selection, data analysis, industry practices, and innovative strategies. This is the correct answer. Even after looking at the keywords, we can answer this particular question. Guesswork to kate hi nahi, because in the paragraph it was clearly mentioned that the consultant does data analysis. So this is the correct answer. Which of the following might a consultant optimize to improve company's efficiency? Company की efficiency बढ़ाने के लिए what a consultant is gonna do? Office decoration? No. Supply chain management? Okay, let's see. This might be the correct answer. Okay, let's see. Employee dress code? Is it really related to the business processes? No. Lunch menus? No. This is not related to business at all. So supply chain management or the logistics, which we have seen in the question itself, gives the correct answer for the given question. Moving ahead to next question. Why is communication the most relevant thing for a consultant? Communication क्यों important है? To ensure all stakeholder understand the proposed changes. Okay. Option B, to organize consumer meets. Option C, to update the company website. And option number D, to manage the human resources. Okay, the correct answer for this given question is to ensure all the stakeholders understand the proposed changes. What are the stakeholders? The company employees are the stakeholders, the company management team is the stakeholders, whatever are the shareholders present over there are the company stakeholders. Okay, these are all the stakeholders. So उनको changes समझना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Changes are positive, we have to make them understand. This is very much important role of a consultant, you can say. Next question, what additional support might a consultant provide to help the team adapt new processes? Planning a retreat of new team members, training and support, personal counseling, mental health program. Mental health program, personal counseling is not a work of consultant. Consultant का काम क्या है? To understand the loophole of business point of view, not the employee point of view. Okay, so if he has to introduce a change, what he will have to do is he will have to provide training and positive support to the employees or all the stakeholders involved. Okay, so hence this is the important thing. Option number B is the correct answer. I hope you have got this particular question. We will see this next question of seating arrangement into the next session. If you have any kind of doubt in this particular passage, then you can please pin down in the comment section. And thank you for joining this particular session.